As we all know, Forza Horizon 4 has removed a lot of the luxury cars from its predecessor. While there are no physical ones in the game, I will show you in this video how to recreate a Mercedes-Maybach using two different cars. The first design uses the 2016 Mercedes-AMG C63 S Coupe. You can get this car by buying it at the auto show or the auction house. After purchasing the car, go over to the Designs and Paints page and click Find New Designs. Then, click Search and match both of the top tabs to current car. On the Search tab, type in Maybach and hit Search. Find a design that you like and install it onto the car. Go to the Upgrades and Tuning page. Click Custom Upgrade and go over to Tires and Rims. There are two rims that look like a Maybach's. One is in the multi-piece section and the other is in the specialized section. Note that these rims will slightly decrease the performance of the car. Choose the rim design that you like and install it onto the car. And with that, your first Mercedes-Maybach is complete. For the second design, I will be using a 2018 Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door coupe. This car is harder to get, as it cannot be bought from the auto show. To get this car, you will need to buy it from the auction house for around 16 million credits or wait until there is a challenge with this car as the prize. Once you have the car, go to the Designs and Paints page again and then find New Designs. Like we did for the last car, search up Maybach and make sure that the top two tabs are on current car. Select a design that you like and install it onto the car. Then, go to Upgrades and Tuning and then Rims, and find the same rims that we did for the last car. Choose the rim that you like and install it onto the car. Once again, this will slightly downgrade the performance of the car. And with that, our second design is done. Combining all the costs of the cars and rims, the first car should set you back about 93,000 credits while the second car sets you back about 20,003,000 credits unless you are able to get the car for free from the backstage pass or a Forzathon challenge. If you liked the designs, feel free to give the video a like, and consider subscribing if you're new. That's it, and that's all. I will see you in the next video.